50 years ago, West Midlands Fire Service was formed in its current iteration.
It became the second largest fire service in the country to protect the residents, families, businesses and visitors to the West Midlands.
For half a century, we have served with pride and with honour.
As we celebrate our 50th anniversary, we begin to look to the next 50 years.
What do we need to focus on? What will we need to prepare for?
How will we need to protect those new families, businesses and visitors to the West Midlands?
Today, we launch our strategy for the next 3 years, the beginning of this journey and this work.
We set out how we will prevent, protect and respond to incidents across fire, rescue and emerging risks.
What new technology we'll need, what new approaches we'll need to take, and how we'll have to change our work to adapt.
Across an ever-changing area,
In an ever-changing world,
we focus on our people
sustainability,
and our culture and values.
and we focus on how we set up our people to succeed so we can serve our communities with professionalism and pride.
How we'll do this is now available for anyone to view and will be all year as we show our progress towards our goals of making West Midlands
Safer
stronger.
and healthier.
We are your fire service
We will keep you safe.
and we are proud to serve.
We are West Midlands Fire Service.